Are you tired of playing whack-a-mole in your garden? Stick around and you'll never look at squirrels the same way again. First up, deer giving your young trees a hard time. Try corrugated plastic pipes. No more midnight munchies for Bambi. Got chipmunks treating your veggie patch like their personal buffet? Drape some fine mesh netting over those greens and watch them scamper off like they've been caught stealing from the cookie jar. Moles tunneling through your lawn like they're auditioning for a spy movie. Mole traps are your new best friend. Goodbye, unwanted underground agents. And let's not forget those freeloading squirrels. Think of them as your garden's uninvited guests. A sprinkle of cayenne pepper around your plants will make them RSVP no real quick. Remember, understanding your enemy is half the battle. Slugs love damp, shady spots, so keep things dry and sunny and they'll slide right out of your life. So gear up, have a laugh, and turn your garden into a pest-free paradise. Happy gardening, folks.